Hello friends, when you look at a sponge, the word animal might not be the first that comes to mind, but sea sponges are animals. There are over 6,000 species of sponges, most live in the marine environment, although there are also freshwater sponges. Natural sponges have been used by humans to clean and bathe with for at least 3,000 years. Sponges are classified in the phylum Porifera. The word porifera comes from the Latin words porus, pore, and fere, bear, meaning pore bearer. This is a reference to the numerous pores, or holes on a sponge's surface. It is through these pores that the sponge draws in water from which it feeds. Sponges come in a wide variety of colors, shapes, and sizes. Some, like the liver sponge, look like a low-lying crust on a rock, while others can be taller than humans. Some sponges are in the form of encrustations or masses, some are branched, and some look like tall vases. Sponges are relatively simple multi-celled animals. They do not have tissues or organs like some animals do, rather, they have specialized cells to perform necessary functions. Sponges do not have a nervous system, so sponges are found on the ocean floor, or attached to substrates such as rocks, coral, shells, and marine organisms. Sponges range in habitat from shallow intertidal areas, and coral reefs to the deep sea. They are found in oceans, and freshwater lakes throughout the world. Sponges aren't very tasty to most other marine animals. They can contain toxins, and their spicule structure probably doesn't make them very comfortable to digest. Two organisms that eat sponges though, are hawksbill sea turtles, and nudibranchs. The modern plastic sponge in our kitchens and bathrooms are named after natural sponges, living animals sponges, which were harvested and widely used as long ago as the 8th century BCE, as implements for bathing and cleaning, as well as in medical practices such as assisting in healing, and to cool, or warm, or comfort a body part. Why to buy a natural sea sponge? Synthetic sponges are poisonous. Almost every synthetic sponge now sold is impregnated with a disinfectant. Sea sponges are permeated with natural enzymes that inhibit the growth of mold, mildew, and bacteria. Durability: a properly cared for sea sponge will last for many months. Most synthetic sponges fall apart, shrink, and become infested with bacteria and mildew in less than 1 week. Water retention: sea sponges hold more water than artificial ones. For washing your car, boat, windows, or even your horse, a natural sponge will hold 2 to 3 times as much water as an artificial one. They look great. After using your sea sponge, don't hide it under the sink, proudly display it. Most artificial sponges are made from petroleum. By using natural sponges, you are saving oil and keeping the price of oil down. They simply work better. Try cleaning a bathtub with a natural sponge, versus using an artificial sponge. The natural sponge will clean a dirty tub and surrounding tile twice as fast and remove soap scum. 99.8% of households have never used, or even seen a real sponge. Help get this natural sea sponge back on track and get a safe, chemical-free, natural sea sponge into your lifestyle. You can still buy natural sponges in health food stores, or on the internet. Artificial sponges were not invented until the 1940s. If you enjoyed this video, and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.